Hello sunshine, this is Joy from Michigan in the US, and today I am going to repaint this 11 by 14 canvas. Trying to make sure I get it stable. It's on my turntable so that I can reach all edges as needed. I am going to do the same colors as what's on here, but we're going to do a flip cup, and we're going to have two colors with silicone mixed in. So let's get started. I don't know that I need a cup this big, but why not? We'll just go ahead and do it this big. All right. So today we are going to use violet. We're still with the water lily colors, which I have just been loving. I have a custom phthalo blue plus silver, and this has 1 drop of silicone in it, and I used quite a bit of this for a failed painting that we are no longer going to discuss. It was terrible. Moving on, I do have a little bit of light blue that I'm debating whether I put that in, but we'll wait and see. That was rouge. This is titanium white. And then I have a gold and white mix plus silicone. This is Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. And, oh, I almost forgot my lime green, guys. How could I forget that? Put some lime green in there. Let's go. Let's separate that with some white. And then we'll do our violet, because violet and green don't always look good together. And then let's use up the rest of this blue. I'm getting to a point where I need to take some time and organize the art room again, guys. All right, let's get the rest of this gold in there. Some more lime green. And then we will top that off with the white. All right. Here goes nothing, guys. So we are going to, you know what I can do on this one? I'm gonna put the canvas on top of the cup so you're seeing the back side of the canvas. I've got my hand where the cup is. Flip it over and set the canvas back down. I'm just gonna let that run down the sides of the cup for just a second or two. If you've not yet hit the subscribe button, if y'all would do that, it would make me so very, very happy. I have a goal for my 1-year YouTube anniversary, which is in March. I'm at 180 now. I'd like to see that number move way up. So we'll see if I can get there. And if not, you know what? I've been out here creating, and that means I'm a happy girl. All right, here goes nothing. Gotta break the suction. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. This is so cool. I probably will lose most of that, but, oh, I can't spin this all the way around. Good to know, mental note to self. I could have just done this on a drop cloth like I usually do, but I was being lazy. And that would require me setting up a whole new thing, so I just didn't do that. Boy, these are gonna be some really big cells. how big those are. Oh goodness. All right, well hopefully when we torch this, it will get some of those pretty little cells as well, and we'll have a nice mix. Wow. Guys, this is really cool. I kind of like this one. Okay, hold on. I like this one, and I don't want to overstretch it, so I'm going to add a line of purple over here. Just to help that stretch a bit. Let's get this corner. Let's get this corner too. Might as well get some paint there so it flows a little better. And then let's add some white. Just really help this paint flow without losing what we've already got on there, which is, I think, very pretty. So try to salvage some of that. We are getting a ton more cells popping up. My goodness, this thing is heavy. It's really, I don't think it really is that heavy, but it feels really heavy in my hands, and it's making me nervous that I'm gonna drop it, but yeah, I'm gonna lose a little bit off that, but see if we can't. All right. My weird and wonky cells are just too weird and too wonky, so I am going to take some of those right over the edge up there. I feel like the more I try to pour them over the edge, the bigger they get. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Going to give it just a minute to develop, and then I might hit it with some heat. But that makes me a little nervous because we have so many cells on there already. I struggle with art with cells when I'm creating it. I can see other people's creations and absolutely love it. And then when I go to create something similar, I just am never thrilled with the cells I get. And then I have people tell me, why on earth would you scrape that? It was beautiful. And so I'm not going to scrape this one. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I'm not going to scrape it just because I know I have a hard time seeing the beauty in it. But this section right here, I love. So pretty. So let's just try. I'm going to try hitting it with heat up here and see what that does. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I just wanted to hit it with a heat torch instead of the embossing gun. That seemed to work fairly well. I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to let it sit. There are some sections I don't love, but there are some sections I really love. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is this a keeper? Is this a scrapper? What do you think? I'll show you all the little details. Love the lime green up here. I'm not sure I love the blobs of gold. This guy right there looks like a little tiny planet. I love this little cluster right here. That's fun. And this right here is my favorite section. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Hopefully I'll hear from you. You can tell me what you think of this one, and I will see you on the next one.